Why does water leakage occur in air conditioning systems after external cleaning maintenance? When an air conditioner expels water droplets through the cool air, we can relate this problem to dirty air filters. Now, in the event that, after performing maintenance, the unit continues to release water inside, there are some aspects we need to understand. Before delving into the cause of this issue, it's essential to comprehend that there are two primary approaches to air conditioning maintenance. 1. On-site air conditioning maintenance or cleaning. In this method, maintenance is carried out without disassembling the equipment. Technicians place a bag or funnel beneath the unit to collect the water that drains during the cleaning process. While this approach is faster and less expensive, it also carries a higher risk of leaving areas uncleaned, which can lead to condensate water leakage, originating from the cooling of the air. 2. Comprehensive air conditioning maintenance or cleaning. This approach involves the complete disassembly of the system and conducting a deep and thorough cleaning. Comprehensive maintenance ensures that all parts of the equipment are cleaned thoroughly, thus minimizing the risks of future water leaks. This process is more labor-intensive and costly. So, we can say that the main cause of water discharge from the cooling of the air within a unit is the obstructions that can accumulate in the drainage pathways. This leads to uncontrolled leaks through unwanted openings. The typical cause is usually inadequate cleaning, especially during on-site maintenance, resulting in the accumulation of obstructions in the water routes. When maintenance is not performed thoroughly, particularly in systems that have gone a long time without maintenance or are exceedingly dirty, there is a greater risk of water leaks occurring. Obstructions can accumulate in the drainage pathways, resulting in uncontrolled leaks through unwanted openings. Common areas where obstructions tend to occur include the pipes, drainage trays, and evaporator coils. If these areas are not adequately cleaned during maintenance, debris can accumulate, increasing the chances of water leaks.